Hey guys, welcome back to 10-Minute Chemistry. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the periodic table. This is a quick, short video. So here's a list of things we're going to cover by the end. What is an element, how to distinguish between a group and a period, and how to name the major groups of the periodic table. So hopefully by the end, you've got a periodic table that looks less like this and more like this. So last week we talked about the atomic structure. How does this relate to that in any way? So we said an atom was the basic unit of anything, really. So an element is made up of only one type of atom. Essentially, it's pure. It's purely one type of atom. So now we're going to talk about periods and groups. Each row on the periodic table is known as a period. Elements in the same period have the same number of atomic orbitals. Each vertical column in the periodic table is called a group. Elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell. We're going to come back to this topic later on. The first group we're going to talk about are the alkali metals. They are also called group 1A. They are very good conductors, they are very reactive, and have one electron in the outer shell. The next group are the alkaline earth metals. They're also known as group 2A. They're less reactive than group 1A, but they're still pretty reactive. They have 2 electrons in their outer shell. The next group we're going to talk about, it's a very big group, are the transition metals. They're fairly unreactive, but they're very good conductors of heat and electricity. They have high melting and boiling points. Think of any metal you know, like iron. And the number of valence electrons they have vary. Next, we have a bit of a mishmash. We've got metalloids, gases, and nonmetals. These groups are going to be important when we talk about organic chemistry, so we're going to skip them for now. Next, we have halogens. These are very reactive with group 1A. They have 7 valence electrons. Remember, 8 is the magic number. So these halogens can easily get 1 electron from group 1 and become happy. And finally, we have the noble gases. They are all gases, as the name states. They are almost completely unreactive. Remember I said 8 is the magic number, and these noble gases, they have the magic. They have 8 valence electrons in their outermost shell, so they are happy. They're happy the way they are. They don't want to get any electrons from anywhere. They don't want to give any electrons to anyone. So they're relatively stable. And that's it, guys. We've gone through all the major groups in the periodic table, and we've gone through a few of their properties as well. One last thing I'll mention before we leave is we have kind of like an imaginary line on the periodic table, and it divides the periodic table into metals and non-metals. So you can see the blue line that just popped up. Everything to the left of that blue line, everything to the left of boron on that line is a metal, and everything to the right, including carbon, is a non-metal, and that is your non-metal metal line. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that was helpful. Leave any comments in the comment boxes about what topics you'd like us to cover, and if you like this content, please hit the like button. Till next time, stay safe.